Welcome to my ipsy unboxing, where it's $10 a month with free shipping. Create your profile based on your skin type, and they'll send you a few sets of makeup. And when you review them, you get some points, and with the points, you can get some more makeup. Let's get started. Let's see what we have in this bag today. First thing that we have is I will consider blank, and I'm pretty sure you have to fill what you want to put there, and the back says game face. The first item that I got in the bag was some it's a stay put brow gel, and it's this brownish color, and it comes in licorice. What a great thing. The next one that I got was some Real Chemistry. This is Fresh Start Foaming Cleanser for a smooth, soft, clean start. And the next item that I got was called Pearless Prevent Blue Lotus Seed Mud Mask Exfoliant. And it's for all skin types sensitive. The next thing that I got was some Color City Contour Palette, and it comes in these browns, and it has a little bit of white, and yeah. And the last item that it gave me was called Fierce Flicks, and this is an eyeliner by the brand, and sorry if I'm chopping it wrong. It's C-I-A-T-E. CT? And, yeah. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and give it a smashing thumbs up. And I'll put the link down below if you're interested in checking this stuff out. Thank you. Bye.